so damn tired. I don't know why we kayakers do this to ourselves, man.
What?
Vlogging here, Tim. I mean, shoot, I went to bed like what, 12:30, and here I am, 3 o'clock here with Tim. Ready to get to the lake. We're like with 2 hours of sleep. I mean, why do we do this? I don't know. But we're ready to take a strike out to Lake McClure. And was it like 3 hour drive?
2.5, 3, yeah.
2.5, 3 hours. What?
We're going the long way.
So, oh wait, we're gonna meet with Vinny, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're
the only one that was crazy enough to get up this early.
yeah. And we're about to get out there, ready for this WWBT pre-fishing, and then do the little shenanigans afterwards. And check out this little boat right here. Isn't that thing sick? I mean, look at, I'm kind of matching it, ain't I? Ready to head out here and get ready, ice up, and let's get ready to roll. Damn, bro, we just got out the strip club.
Fucking got like 15-minute naps and drink all night.
Man, got out the strip club, got our kayaks ready, and we're ready to roll out over here. Kayak life, that's what it's about. Check out these Pro boats right here. Got the FTD sticker going on over there. FTD right there. And another FTD. We're out here at Grant Line, Elk Grove, and still got around maybe around 2 hours to go. And sleepy as hell. Let's get this. Let's go.
Let's go. How long we do?
Here we go. Fishing in a lake that I've never fished before. I don't know what I'm doing out here, but I'm always up for the challenge. What's up? Oh shit. Dang, you smoked that one. So what I'm doing right now is just scanning around all these points and just marking fish. There's fish in pretty much in every one of these points, but don't know if they're big ones or small ones. I'm just, man, I am really tired right now and I just don't feel like fishing. So just trying to make the use of my time right now just to do a lot of scanning, because I don't do this much. So that way when I come out tomorrow, I know where to go ahead and fish. Yeah, saw something pretty interesting out here. A lot of fish just hugging on the edges over here. I think I found my spot for tomorrow. Alright, I know there's fish here. Remove. It's getting super hot. I got my cooling rag over here. I need one of these things right here. This is lifesaver. I don't know how you're sitting right now at your house, but it is hot out here. It reached 106 degrees, and fishing out there on the water by 10:30. I was done. Forget that. Got off the water, set up camp, and here we are.
It's like chicken.
Check out our little spread over here. Oh!
Don't mind if I do.
Carlo on the seafood grill. Travis on the sausage station. And these guys testing it out. Ponch, what's up?
So, homie.
But let me tell you about the things we did today that was just killing us. The heat was just malfunctioning everything. Our batteries wasn't charging. My GoPros were dying. All my remotes are just nothing was working. It's miserable out here. But tomorrow is a tournament. And this video, I usually have a pre-fishing video, but I'm just gonna add it together with one video into this one. Let's go ahead and get these shenanigans on. We out here, Lake McClure, WWBT event number 2, and it's gonna be a heater. Yesterday I was at 106 degrees, and today it's gonna be 106 degrees again. I don't know if I'm gonna last on the water because yesterday I got off around 10:30, around 11, and it was just unbearably hot. If it's gonna be the same conditions as it was yesterday, I'm not gonna last. I'm probably gonna get off here at 11. So hopefully I'll catch my limit. I don't think it's really worth it to be fishing in those type of conditions. It's just torture. So about to launch around 15 minutes right now, and let's see what we could do out here. Hopefully we'll catch a limit before the heat comes in, and here we go. When's the last time I did one of these? Took a tour around, saying what's up everybody at the Shotgun Lounge. Who do we have over here? We have Kathy, we have Scott, and a whole lot of enemies. This guy, man, what's up with you? Yeah. Oh man, this guy right here. And we got these Fresno boys right here. None but sticks. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Report their CF numbers. Report their CF numbers right there. This guy over here. Did you sleep good last night? You did? Well, that's good. I know Sue did. He had the AC cheat code. All right, guys, we got 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Everybody's at the starting line. It's gonna be a little endurance race, but for me it's gonna be an endurance because I haven't taken a shit yet. Let's see how long I can last. 10 seconds. Counting is down. I'm that guy today. Let's go. See you there, buddy.
Yeah, man. Tomorrow.
Yep. Here we go, guys. Look at this, it's a race. Woo! Here we go. No fair, this guy doesn't not carrying nothing on him. He's going. Finally got one. Ouch. That one's good to go. Thanks, buddy. Oh my gosh. So hot. So freaking hot right now. I only got 2 waters left. It's already like 9 o'clock. I'm just not feeling confident getting a limit right now. Trying to do as much as I can before I run out of water. Because as soon as I run out of water, I'm tapping out. Really need some ice. I want to cool down. I'm gonna ask these guys over here if they have some ice. You guys happen to have some ice to spare?
We don't have ice.
That's fine.
Our ice is gone.
I got 4 more hours to go in this tournament. I'm dying.
That's a precious commodity, buddy.
It is.
You can get ice though at the marina.
Yeah.
A long way.
Thanks anyways. Excuse me.
How's it going?
You guys happen to have some ice to spare?
Ice?
Yeah. Probably like a handful. No, I'm putting it in my head so I can last 4 more hours.
How about
Catching anything?
You can grab this? Put some in here?
Yeah.
Thanks guys, you guys are a lifesaver. Appreciate it. Oh man. I'm wearing the ice on my head. I got a YouTube channel, by the way.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, Mobbin' Outdoors.
Mobbin' Outdoors?
Yeah. Check this out. These guys are hooking me up with some ice right now. I can last 3 more hours in this tournament.
Alright, bud. Take it easy.
See if we can get down here. Oh man, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Woo! I feel like I got the luck right here. There we go. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Awesome patrons. Thank you. Ooh, they got me cold water. So what I'm doing over here is I'm putting the ice in my hat. And I'm wearing it. Damn, I hit a big wave. Lost my net. Stupid boaters. Cut right in front of me. Hit a big wake and almost lost my net. Good thing I got a little, I rigged it up so it floats. So you want to know where I got this net? It's Bass Pro Shop, 16 bucks, and just put some pool noodles around it. And as you can see, net saved. And nothing's working out for me at all. Not marking any fish, throwing everything, and just nothing. Sucks. Oh, depressing. I can't find no fish. Woo. It was just a bad weekend for me. I just wasn't feeling it, especially when I knew it was like going to be very hot this weekend. Being totally sleep deprived both nights. I think I only got a total of 5 hours of sleep between 2 nights, and yeah, it just didn't work out for me. I had an alright pre-fishing the first day, despite only being around like 2 or 3 hours because it was way too hot. Today going out there, running out of ice, only had one water left, and I thought I was gonna be done early until that one houseboat, and right on, that houseboat came in clutch. They gave me a full bucket of ice, couple waters. I was really refreshed, but I was just not feeling really good, just way too hot until my boy Scott, right on Scott, he gave me a little motivational push and say, you know, go ahead and jump into the water. And when I jumped into the water, man, I was fully rejuvenated. But fishing in the hot weather, like 106 degrees, is no joke. I could deal with rain, obviously I could deal with wind, but 106 degrees is no bueno. That was brutal. All the spots that I marked that had schools of fish, they just weren't there anymore. I was finding some new spots that looked like it had some schools, but they weren't biting. And I think they're a carp. If anybody knows a way to identify carp in a fish finder, let me know how that works. If you're finding carp on a fish finder, it really throws off my game. But yeah, this was a very poor planned weekend, and I'm just gonna have to eat this one. It is what it is.